Hi and hello, welcome back. Jana here with a new process video for the Hip Kit Club. I am working with the August kits and today is Mixed Media Monday, and that means we will play with lots of colors and texture today. We were also asked to use a cut file and I decided to go with the rainbow. And I showed you in the beginning that I have added some texture to my white cardstock with a stencil from, I don't know, June or July stencil. I am not pretty sure right now. I have primed all of my papers I'm using today with gesso, so my rainbow stripes are primed, and now I'm starting to color them. I decided to just color them with the stackable color philosophy colors we got in the previous month and this month, and I'm just going in the rainbow order, but I started with blue and not with yellow or orange, so I just wanted to have the blue and the pink to show more than the other colors, and so I decided to go with these. Or I started with them. I'm just dipping that primed rainbow stripe into that ink pad, and then I'm just adding some water, just drying it with my heat tool, and then adding some more layers until I was totally happy, and I totally love how they turned out. And now I am just bringing in some colors to my background, and I'm not in the, sky and rainbow and sun type of mood, but I just wanted to bring in some blue to my background paper, and I'm just mixing the hydrangea petals and the summer vibes, and I totally love how this is coming together. I love that you can see the texture underneath, and I'm just going for it. So just coloring my background paper with these two colors. And you can see I'm not using too much color. I'm using lots of water just because I wanted to have a very soft and airy background. And you can just spy a tiny bit of it when I am done, but that's totally okay. And I will also take I will also take the time to add some foam tape to my rainbow and to the rays or the colored stripes, and I decided to go with a picture from me, and I took a little break just because I was overwhelmed with all of the bits and pieces in the kits, and so I needed to calm down. I needed to have a second look, and so I decided to go with kind of a tone-on-tone thing. I grabbed some flowers, and now these tag with the purple part on it, and you can see I grabbed the hands I made for my previous layout again, and today I will use them. Yes, I also found a coffee cup in one of the exclusive packs, and I just need coffee so much, and so I decided I will just create a colorful background, a colorful layout with my title will be Good Vibes, and so there are some holding hands or some hands, and they are holding a coffee cup and some flowers. I thought, yes, that could totally work, and I just had the best of time, and I totally love how it turned out. So now I'm bringing in some black thread just because of the black and white picture, and everything is so soft and so light. I needed some contrast, and I love to use thread, and so I'm going with black. And I will also bring in my very last details are some black splatters, and I just needed some more of the black, and yeah. Now I'm just adding some foam tape underneath the flowers, and then I'm just creating a second rainbow with the flowers. Oh my gosh, I can't talk. I'm so sorry. And you can see I also added 3 exclusive clouds, and I also popped them off with some foam tape. And I'm just trying and gluing and looking, and I just love it. So now these gorgeous hens, and I told you the last time I stamped one of them because there's only one hen in that exclusive stamp set, and I stamped it on pattern paper, flipped it over, traced around it, and just cut it out. Because it's a very simple shape, you can totally do that. And yeah, now everything is glued down. I have also added some black thread underneath my underneath the hands and the title "Good Vibes," just for some more contrast. And I'm just trying to add some more, but I decided against it. I will grab the same animal dots I have used last week, just to bring in some more pops of color. I will add my journaling lines right under the title, under the Good Vibes. And I was thinking about that sun, but I will not use it. So it's very, I don't know, it's more for a kid's layout, you know what I mean? And so, yeah. So grabbing my T-square ruler and a black Sharpie, and I'm bringing in my lines. Then I will stamp that date. And yeah, next to that, I'm just finishing that page with animal dots and some black splatters. And I just love how it turned out. You know, my life is still very busy and very, very, very busy. And so I totally enjoy these moments when I'm sitting down with the brand new kids and I'm just creating what I want, what I like, what I love. And so this one was kind of special for me with the rainbow, and I just enjoyed the process. And I really hope you enjoyed it too. And yeah, now you can watch me bringing in some animal dots in the matching colors. And I'm sorry. And yeah, that's it for today. So you will get a close-up and some final pictures at the end. Thank you so much for stopping by, and talk to you soon, and have a great week. Bye bye.